and then you go live. And but the problem is the screen, it just looks really bland, you know. There's not like any those the sub count, the chat, any like other things you would want to put in there. So the way you want to do this is you have to go to sources. So right now I only have one source. Oh yeah, I forgot to cover that. So to make your screen show up in OBS, you click plus and then go to display capture and then click it. You can name it so that you're more organized, but for now I'm just gonna call it screen. And then you click OK, and it says the name is ready in use. So I don't know, just add an extra N to it, and it shows this. And you have the option to make it capture your cursor, and you have the option, oh, I only have one option here, but you can click OK, and now you have your screen. I don't really need to do this, but well, there's two display captures, so. And now you'll notice that there's no chat here because it doesn't, of course it doesn't automatically do it. So what you want to do is duplicate this so that this chat, it stays intact, but on this one you click pop out chat. So this will turn the chat into a separate window, and as you can see here it says we popped out. Show me how to stream GA. I am right now. So you have this window, and then so how are we going to make this show up in OBS? So you click this plus icon, or you can right click and select add, and you go to window capture, which will let you capture just one specific window, and we'll call it chat. I'll add an extra T. Are you kidding me? It's okay. Another extra T. And then it's already been set here, but you have to look for Chrome. It's gonna be Chrome exe, and then you're gonna have to look for the word pop out, and the rest is just like the code for the link to this chat. So select it, and then you can select bit for Windows 7 and up, or you can select Windows Graphics Capture for the capture method. Bit you have the option to make it capture your cursor. So if I switch it off, then it's not there, but if I switch it on, then it will show the cursor, I think. Well, it's not right now because I'm not here. So now it's showing it because I'm on the chat window. So you click OK, and then it'll show up here. But another problem is you can see all of this stuff. So this is where filters come in. So you click on filters. Wait, no. You right click on this, you click on filters, and then you click plus to add a filter. And then the filter we're going to use here is crop/pad. So you can select, you can configure how many pixels you want this to be. So say, oh my gosh, people are. Okay, so for the top, we're going to want to make it so that we get rid of this entire bit. So you can test it, you can do trial and error, but the one that I've seen work for me is 110. And then you can see this black bar here, we don't want that, so you go to right, and then again you can use trial and error, but what works for me is 20. And then here at the bottom we don't want to see this chat input screen, so you're going to want to make it 120. Close. Now you're gonna notice that the cropping, it's sort of broken when you resize it. It kind of breaks, so unfortunately you're just gonna have to, you know, find the right size. So now you've got your chat, and now you want a sub count. So what you can do, there are actually two ways to do this, and the same for the chat. So one way is to go to the chat and then click on this, and then find this link, Control C, and go back to OBS and then add a source. Yeah, you call it a source, and then you find browser. So this will make it. So this will show a browser area, and then we paste the URL to this chat, and now you can see it. And of course, you still have to do the cropping. So top is gonna be, say 50. Yeah, 50 works. Right, it's still gonna be 20. Oh no, not 209, just 20. And bottom is gonna be 120. Now, if we go back to here to properties, you're gonna see this custom CSS. Now this, it's so useful. You won't believe how useful this is. So you go to your browser, wherever you are, and then you search for, I forgot exactly what it was called, but I searched it up with just a random keyword and it did show up. So you're gonna search CSS chat style generator or something like that, and it will see chat v2.0 style generator. I'll put this in the description. Now this is useful because it generates the CSS for you. It's sort of like the code to make the chat look different. You can change the, the font, you can change the colors, everything. But now we're going to use this. So we go to CSS, this CSS bit at the bottom, and then you click Control A to select it all, Control C, then we go back to OBS, and then go to Custom CSS, and replace it with the one we got from the website. Then click OK. And now we've got a fancy chat. Cool. So now we've got this really cool chat. I haven't actually used it in my streams yet because for some reason it's sort of glitchy. The browser's kind of glitchy. And now for the sub count, you're gonna do the same. You're gonna find a live sub counter. It can be any. It can be any. The one here I'm using is Social Blades. So then you enter your username. So for me it's terabyte with an i3 because it's fancy. Live subscriber count, and it'll show up here. It's not quite live though, because I swear I had more subs than this. Or maybe something just happened and then now I have more subs. That'll be a real shame, but oh, there we go, 82. Look, it's live. It's updating every second. So you get this link at the top. Copy it. Go back to OBS. Click browser so you can get a browser source. Paste it into the URL. And now you have this. Oh god, what did I do? Oh, there you go. You just have to click interact and then scroll with it a little. So then you go to filters, crop/pad, and then you can crop it out so it's only the number. So let's say top would be 200, around 250. 250 to 270 is my best, is my recommendation. Sorry, my voice is. And for the bottom, let's do 240. And for the left, it's gonna be around 300. 360. And for the right, I'm assuming it's the same. No, it has to be a bit less. 320. So now we have a subscriber count that's live. And then we can just and now you can, but you don't want it to just be like just a random number, like, because no one's gonna know what that is. Like, why is there a random 82 here? So you're gonna click text, So you have a text and then subscribers. So you can make this text anything you want. You can change the font and the colors. Let's for now let's make it. Let's make it black. Yeah, black, so that it fits with the color of the subscriber count. But now you're gonna see there's this white bit. So why is this here? So well, it's of course it's coming from this browser. As you can see, there's a white background. So what you can do to remove this is click on filters plus, and there is also an option for color keying. It's basically green screen. So the key color type, well, it's not green, it's not blue, it's not red, and it's not magenta, it's white. So we have to click custom color, select color, pick screen color, and then click on this and click OK. Now it's gonna look a bit choppy, so you just have to do similarity. So now it's here, and you can change everything else. You can change opacity, contrast, whatever. But now we have our sub count. Why don't we make it white? Yeah, let's make it white. So filters, color correction, select color, pick screen color, dark, and make it brighter. And we can stack them on top of each other. So we can do another color correction, select, pick screen, this one, and make it even brighter. Yeah, so now it's like this. Drag it down a bit, change this to white as well, because now we have it white. Select. So now we have a live subscriber count. And the people in the chat are asking, can you see my messages now? Yes, I can. How do we see the chat and the sub count while we are playing? Well, you're gonna need a second screen for OBS. So one screen for the game you're playing and another screen for the live control. Unfortunately, I don't have a second screen because I'm poor, so. Anyway, so that's just about it. I think that's pretty much all you have to cover. There are more features in OBS, but I'll let you experiment with them. So anyway, we are now done with the tutorial. I've covered everything there is to know about. I think everything there is to know, so that you can start streaming. I surely hope I haven't missed anything out. Anyway, thank you for watching. It really means a lot. Every click counts. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. I'm probably gonna leave the stream on for a while, you know, just like to chill out, you know. Okay, I guess I'm gonna end the stream now. Oh my goodness, 6 people are viewing this and it's not even meant to be a proper stream. What? GoCraft TV says, so this is how it works. GoCraft TV says, it's me. Geometry-Gamer says, can you add me on GD now? Okay, sure. Just real quickly. GeoCraft TV says, it's me, Geometry. Oh, hello. Let me find my phone real quick. Oh, 99, that's okay. Okay, let's play Minecraft now. I cannot see your messages, Geometry-Gamer. That's not very good. Geometry-gamer says GD:202. Okay. I literally sent a friend request to partition. When did I do that? I never sent a friend request to partition. What? Cancel. Yeah, bye. Where is the option to add friends? Okay, I'll add. Oh yeah. I have to go to your account. And then I'll friend you. Okay, done. Friend request sent. Okay, this stream has no other purpose now. So bye, I guess. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Go and watch the OBS tutorial I just made. Bye.